If I could go back to the day we met, I would probably do it all over again.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so first of all, I know y'all are used to an intro and me, talking before the video. I don't know, some way, somehow, that part got cut off. So anyways, I am sorry, but let's go ahead and get on into these products. Okay, so I'm going into the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going to be finding my transition color, which is the light brown color that I showed you guys. I'm going to be using that to start off my eyeshadow today. So as you guys can see, this transition color is more subtle. You don't really see it, but you know it's there. So it's definitely okay if you don't have a popping or bright transition color. It's totally fine. Sometimes you guys really need a transition color, like this. Come on. Get it. I mean, just getting it. Okay, so I'm going back into the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going in with this burgundy type color. I think it's called Red Orange. I will list all of the colors and products in the description box down below, you guys. I'm not good when it comes to pronouncing any of her palette names. Like, oh my god, I suck at names. How about that? So pretty much, you guys, I'm going in with this color and I'm putting it right underneath on top of my transition color. And what we're doing is just building that crease. We're getting it ready for the colors and the eyeshadow that we're going to be using today. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back in with a smaller blending brush and I'm going to blend those colors together so that I can move on to applying my next color. We're bringing those colors together as one. That is so weird. So now, you guys, I'm going in with that love letter color, and what that is going to do is it's just going to bring a little bit more depth and a little more color into the eyes. So now I'm going in with the Venom, I don't know, you guys. I'm going in with the next burgundy color and I'm going to be using that to darken up my crease. So now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and the color Cream Beige, and I've already had some on the back of my hand. I'm going to be using that to cut my crease, you guys. I'm going in with a flat-ended brush. It is very, 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 very important, you guys, to find a flat-ended brush that works for you. So I'm doing the lookup method, and that's pretty much where I put my concealer on the lower part of my lid, and I go ahead and look up, and it just places, and it places, get it out red, it places the concealer perfectly, you guys. Like, you should never mess up on your crease with this look, with this method. Okay, so now I'm going into the Anastasia palette with this shimmery color, and that's just going to be my base to set my lid. Okay, so now I'm going back in with all three colors, the love letter, the V letter color, and then the brown color, and I'm going to be using that to smoke out the end of my cut crease so that when we apply our inside lid color, it just helps it blend way, way better. You know? Trick, you guys. It's a trick. And you guys, for some reason, I just really, really love this look. It was really soft and to the point. I don't know, like, I really enjoyed doing this look. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Urban Decay glitter liner, and it is in the color silver, you guys. And I'm going to be using that to put into my crease where it starts, the little line. And let me tell you, dolls, if you ever mess up on your cut crease, put some glitter liner in there, and I promise nobody will ever know. Thank me later. Love you. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Super. I mean, no. That is so horrible. My L'Oreal Super Slim Eyeliner, you guys, and I'm gonna be using that to complete the eye look. And you guys, I hate doing liner. I just poke myself in my eye. I hate liner. Okay, so now I'm going in with my NYX Honey Do Me Up primer, and I'm going to be using this to prime my face today, you guys. You can find this at your drugstore. You can get it from Ulta. It is the best. Like when I say it sticks your foundation to your face, it sticks your foundation to your face. I took my beauty blender to blend that out as well, and I still had like a lot left over on my beauty blender, so that's why you see me like kind of going like, what the heck? I'm now going in with my NARS foundation, you guys, and I'm going to be using my concealer brush to just apply that foundation. It just, again, it helps you direct the amount of foundation that you're using. And, girl, you know, we got to save them coins, girl. I'm wasteful, so I like the fact that I use my brush to, you know, help me with my foundation. Get it, girl. I'm going in with my Wet n Wild setting spray, and I'm going to spray my face, and this is just going to make it easier to blend out. And y'all, let me tell y'all, I know y'all see how this foundation is just blending out so smooth. Like so smooth. So now I'm going in with my Tarte Born This Way concealer as well as my Morphe concealer, you guys. And the reason why I tried this recently, a couple of days ago, and I found out that it works for me that if I go in with a concealer closest to my skin tone or closest to my foundation color and then go in with a lighter concealer on top, it looks a lot better. And when I take my pictures, it looks a lot better as well. So try it out. Comment down below. Let me know how it worked out for you, dolls. And we're going to keep on rocking. So now I'm just going in with that Morphe concealer, which is the lighter concealer, as you guys can see. And I'm just placing it at the ends of the concealer. And I'm going to sit there and let that get tacky. I'm going in with my Lash Contour Lashes by Kiss. And I'm going to go ahead and apply that lash. Okay, so now I'm going to start blending out my concealer, you guys. And the reason why I let it sit is so that the direction or the position that I place my foundation in, I let it sit so it can get tacky enough in that position so where when I start to blend out my concealer, it doesn't start moving and going all over the place, and then it gets hard to control. So if you find that happening to you, dolls, let your concealer get a bit tacky first and then go ahead and blend it out. So I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, you guys, and you can find this on Amazon. And I'm going to be using this to bake the powder into my skin. So now I'm going in with the LA Colors contour palette, you guys, and you can get it from the beauty supply store. Hopefully y'all lose this You can get it from the beauty supply store, dolls. Oh my god. You can get it from the beauty supply store. I'm using this to bring definition back to my face, warm up my face, give me some chiseled cheeks. you know, slay the world, one contour at a time. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with my Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'm just gonna blend all of that together, wiping away that powder as well. So you guys, this is my little tip. I apply setting powder underneath my contour just to give me a like straight cut look. And yeah, you guys, it works. So I'm going in with the Tarte's Pro Glow and Blush palette, you guys. And let me tell y'all how excited I am about this palette. If you know, you guys, I've had the old one before this one. And the one before that one, it was bomb. But this one, y'all, this one is bomb. Like, look. Bomb. Like, look, pink highlight, you guys. No, it's not a highlight. It's a blush. I used it as my freaking highlight, and I loved it. This highlight was bomb, you guys. Like, I cannot express it enough. So I'm going in with my NYX Butter Me Up gloss, and this color, you guys, it's a dark color. It is in the color Ginger Snap. And I'm going to be applying my butter gloss, the regular one that I normally use, on top of that one just to kind of bring a little bit more color back in because it was way too dark for the look. But then I applied another one on top, and girl, you know we pop. Okay, so pretty much, you guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for tuning into my video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Check out Forever Red. I love you, dolls. Bye.